Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy crock-pot chicken nachos. Also super simple to make gluten-free. This is a good one for a busy weeknight where you just don't have time to make dinner. So you can do this with these ingredients: 4 medium boneless skinless chicken breasts, 10 ounces of rotel, which is just diced tomatoes and green chilies, and a 15-ounce can of black beans, and you'll want to go ahead and drain that, along with all of your nacho toppings. So these can be tortilla chips, cheese, queso, avocado, lettuce, tomato, green onions, black olive, salsa, cilantro, and whatever else you would like on nachos. So that is going to be the ingredients that you will need for this. So I'm getting all of those ready, as you can see here, and then I'm going to grab the crock pot. Now remember, this is just the chicken you're making and then adding with your nachos. So you can definitely use this for a base of tacos, burritos, or anything like that as well. So you're going to use a 6-quart crock pot and line it or coat it with spray. Then go ahead and place your chicken on the bottom. I did add a little bit of salt and pepper to this too, so you can do that as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it with rotel and the black beans, and then cover and cook this on low for 8 hours. So this is just making the chicken. Again, great recipe to do and add to several different types of things like burritos or tacos as well. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and shred up the chicken with 2 forks, as you can see here. I like to kind of mix it in if there's some liquid left too, just to give it a little more juice. And then I'm going to go ahead and build up my nachos. What I like to do is use a sheet pan, layer it with the tortilla chips, and then add my queso on top or my cheese, and just put this in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit just to get that that melted cheese. And then once that's done, I go ahead and top it with all the other ingredients. So you would just use a slotted spoon and pull all of the chicken out and just top your nachos with it. So this is how we do crock-pot chicken nachos. You can add sour cream on top. You can use salsa, whatever you want to do. Just gives you a really simple way to make dinner during the week. So find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. I hope you like it and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.